Hello guys, welcome to our exciting YouTube quiz on the human body. In this video, we will test your knowledge about the incredible machine that is human body. From bones to muscles, organ to system. Get ready to challenge yourself with some fun and educational questions. So our first question is, what is the largest organ in the human body? Your question is, what is the largest organ in the human body? Your option is A. Brain, B. Skin, C. Heart, D. Liver. So here the right answer is option B. Skin. Okay, skin is the largest organ in the human body. Question number 2 is, which part of the brain is responsible for the controlling balance? Your question is, which part of the brain is responsible for controlling balance? Your option is A. Cerebellum, B. Medulla oblongata, C. Hippocampus, D. Thalamus. So here the right answer is option A, cerebellum. Okay. So question number 3 is, which is the main function of red blood cells? Your question is, what is the main function of red blood cells? So your option is A, carry oxygen, B, fight infections, it means fight with pathogens or other things, C, help in clotting, D, carry nutrients. So here the right answer is option A, carry oxygen. Okay, RBC, carry oxygen. Okay. Question number 4 is, which organ filter toxin from the blood? Your question is, which organ filter toxin from the blood? Your option is A, stomach, B, kidney, C, lungs, D, liver. So here the right answer is option B, kidney. Okay. Kidney filters the toxin from our bloods, okay, with the help of nephron. Question number 5 is, how many bones are there in the adult human body? Your question is, how many bones are there in the adult human body? Your option is option A, 206, option B, 212, option C, 250, option D, 300. So the right answer is option A, 206. Okay, 206 bones are there in the adult human body. Okay, but 300 bones are there in the baby human body. Okay. Question number 6 is, what is the largest bone in the human body? Your question is, what is the largest bone in the human body? Your option is A, femur, B, tibia, C, humerus, D, spine. So the right answer is option A, femur. Okay. Question number 7 is, which muscle is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body? Your question is, which muscles is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body? Your option is A, biceps, B, heart, C, diaphragm, D, quadriceps. So the right answer is option B, heart. Okay, heart. Question number 8 is, where are sperm cells produced? Your question is, where are sperm cells produced? So your option is A, ovaries, B, urethra, C, testis, D, prostate. So the right answer is option C, testis. Okay. Question number 9 is, the human heart has how many chambers? Your question is, the human heart has how many chambers? So your option is A, 2, option B, 3, option C, 4, option D, 5. So the right answer is option C, 4. Okay. In the human body, there are 4 chambers of hearts. Okay. Question number 10 is, which part of the body contain the clavicles? Your question is, which part of the body contain the clavicles? Your option is A, neck, option B, arm, option C, chest, option D, leg. So here the right answer is option C, chest. Okay. Question number 11 is, which system is responsible for regulating hormones in the body? Your question is, which system is responsible for regulating hormones in the body, in the human body? Your option is option A, nervous system, option B, endocrine system, option D digestive system, option D respiratory system. So here the right answer is option B endocrine system. Okay, endocrine system is responsible for regulating hormones in the human body. Question number 12 is the human body has how many pairs of ribs? Your question is in the human body how many pairs of ribs present? So your option is option A 10, option B 12, option C 14, option D 24. So the right answer is option B 12. Okay, there are the 12 pairs of ribs present in the human body. Question number 13 is which part of the body control the movement of the body and the coordination? Your question is which part of the body controlling the movement of the body and coordination? Your option is option A brain, option B spine, option C nervous system, option D muscles. So here the right answer is option A brain. Okay, which is connected to the nervous system. Okay. Question number 14 is what is the function of the white blood cells? Your question is what is the function of white blood cell? Option A carry oxygen, option B aid in digestion, option C fight infection pathogens or other harmful germs, or option D produce hormones. So here the right answer is option C fight infections. Okay, fight against the pathogens or infections, whatever. Question number 15 is what is the purpose of the human immune system? Your question is what is the purpose of human immune system? So your option is A regulating body temperature, option B fight disease causing organisms, C control digestion, D provide energy. So the correct answer is option B fight disease causing organisms. Okay. Question number 16 is which of the following is not part of digestive system? Your question is which of the following is not part of digestive system? Okay, your option is option A esophagus, option B stomach, option C pancreas, option D bladders. So here the right answer is option D bladders. Okay, bladders are not a part of digestive system. Okay. Question number 17 is what is the smallest bone in the human body? Your question is what is the smallest bone in the human body? Your option is option A stapes, option B femur, option C patella, option D ulna. So here the right answer is option A stapes. Okay, and femur is the largest bone in the human body. Okay. So right answer is option A stapes. Question number 18 is what substance is found in the bones that help store calcium? Your question is what substance is found in the human bones that help store calcium? Your option is option A collagen, option B hemoglobin, option C phosphorus, option D bone marrow. So here the right answer is option D bone marrow. Okay. Question number 19 is the process of breathing is controlled by which part of the brain? Your question is the process of breathing is controlled by which part of the brain? So your option is option A cerebrum, option B medulla oblongata, option C bones, option D cerebellum. Sorry, I given two same options, but here the right answer is option B medulla oblongata. Question number 20 is what is the primary function of the kidneys? Your question is what is the primary functions of the kidneys? Option number A remove waste product, option B produce insulin, option C aid in digestion, D control body temperatures. So the right answer is option A remove waste product. Okay, the main function of kidneys is remove waste product from animal's body. Okay. Question number 21 is which part of the human body is responsible for the sense of sight? So your question is, which part of the human body is responsible for the senses of sight? So option A, ears, option B, nose, option C, skin, option D, eyes. So the right answer is eye. Okay. Question number 22 is, how many chambers does the human stomach have? Your question is, how many chambers does human stomach have? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. So the right answer is option C 3. Okay. In the human stomach there are the 3 chambers. Okay. Question number 23 is, which part of the body store biles? You know, bile juice. So which part of the body store biles? Your option is option A stomach, option B liver, option C gallbladders, option D pancreas. So the right answer is option C gallbladders. Okay. Question number 24 is, which of the following is the hardest substance in the human body? Your question is, which of the following is the hardest substance in the human body? Option A bones, option B teeth, option C nail, option D skin. So the right answer is option B teeth. Okay. Teeth is the hardest substance in the human body. Question number 25 is, which blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? Okay. Your question is, which blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? So your option is option A veins, option B arteries, option C capillaries, option D vessels. So the right answer is option B arteries. Okay. Arteries carry blood away from the hearts. Question number 26 is, what is the primary function of the human skin? Your question is, what is the primary function of human skin? Option A produce energy, protect the body, option C regulate temperatures, option D B and C both. So the right answer is option D B and C both. Okay. The human skin protect the body as well as regulate temperature. Okay. Question number 27 is, the spinal cord is part of which system? The question is, spinal cord is part of which system? Your option is A endocrine system, B digestive system, C nervous system, D circulatory system. So the right answer is option C nervous system. Spinal cord is the part of nervous system. Question number 28 is, which part of the body help in absorbing nutrients from the blood? Your question is, which part of the body help in absorbing nutrients from the food? Not blood, food. Option A stomach, option B liver, option C small intestine, option D large intestine. So the correct answer is option C small intestine. Okay. Small intestine, a part of body help in absorbing nutrients from food. Question number 29. The funny bone is located at which part of the body? The question is, the funny bone, the name of bone is funny bone, is located at which part of the body? Your option is A elbow, B knee, option C wrist, option D spine. So the right answer is option E elbow. Okay. Question number 30 is, which bone protects the human brain? The question is, which bone protects the human brain? Option A ribs, option B skull, option C pelvic, option D spine. So the right answer is option B skull. Okay. Question number 31 is, which muscle is responsible for breathing? Your question is, which muscle is responsible for breathing? Option A diaphragm, option B biceps, option C tricep, option D quadricep. So the right answer is option A diaphragm. Okay. Diaphragm is a type of muscles that is responsible for breathing. Question number 32. The adult human body is made up of how many percentage of water? Your question is, the adult human body is made up of how many percentage of water? Option is A, 30 to 40%, option B 50 to 60%, option C 60 to 70%, option D 70 to 80%. So the right answer is option C, 60 to 70% of human body is made up of water. Okay. Question number 33 is, which organ help to regulate body temperature? Your question is, which organ help to regulate body temperature? Option A, brain. Option B, skin. Option C, heart. Option D, liver. So the right answer is option B, skin. Okay. Question number 34. Which of the following bones is part of arm? Your question is, which of the following bones is a part of arms? A, patella. B, tibia. C, humerus. And D, pelvic. So the right answer is option C, humerus. Okay, humerus is the bone which is the part of arm. Question number 35. Which part of the human body is involved in the sense of taste? Your question is, which part of the human body is involved in the sense of taste? Your option is option A, ears, option B, nose, option C, tongue, option D, skin. So you all know the right answer is option C, tongue. Okay. Question number 36 is, the human body's circulatory system is made up of heart, blood vessels and which other component? Your question is, the human body's circulatory system is made up of the heart, blood vessels and which other component? Your option is A, blood, option B, bones, option C, lungs, option D, stomach. So the right answer is option A, blood. Okay. Question number 37. Which part of the body regulate the release of insulin? Your question is, which part of the body regulate the release of insulin? Your option is option A, liver, option B, stomach, option C, pancreas, option D, kidney. So the right answer is option C, pancreas. Okay. Question number 38 is, which part of the body help with the sense of hearing? Your question is, which part of the body help with the sense of hearing? Your option is option A, nose, option B, ears, option C, tongues, option D, eyes. So the right answer is option B, ears. Okay. Question number 39. Which organ is responsible for the producing of insulin? Your question is, which organ is responsible for the producing of insulin? Your option is option A, liver, option B, stomach, option C, pancreas, option D, kidney. So the right answer is option C, pancreas. Okay. Question number 40 is, what is the outermost layer of the skin called it? Your question is, what is the outermost layer of the skin called it? So the right answer is option B, epidermis. Okay, the outmost layer of the skin is called it epidermis. Question number 41 is, which part of the body produce red blood cells? Your question is, which part of the body produce red blood cells? Your option is option A, heart, option B, bone marrow, option C, lungs, option D, liver. So the right answer is option B, bone marrow. Bone marrow found inside the bones. Okay. Question number 42. What part of the body control voluntary actions like moving muscles? Your question is, which part of the body controlling voluntary action like moving muscles? So your option is, question number 42 is, what part of the body controlling voluntary action like moving muscles? Your question is, what part of body controlling voluntary action like moving muscles? Your option is option A, medulla oblongata, option B, cerebellum, option C, spinal cord, option D, cerebrum. So the right answer is option D, cerebrum. Question number 43 is, the human body has how many pairs of cranial nerves? Your question is, the human body has how many pair of cranial nerves? Your option is option A 12, option B 24, option C 31, option D 48. So the right answer is option A 12. Okay. Question number 44 is, what is the function of large intestine? Your question is, what is the function of large intestine? So option A absorb nutrition, option B store bile, option C absorb water and salt, option D digest protein. So the right answer is option C absorb water and salts from the food. Question number 45. What is the primary function of the lungs? Your question is, what is the primary function of lungs? Option A circulate oxygen, option B break down food, option C exchange gases, option D filter blood. So the right answer is option C exchange gas. Okay. Question number 46 is, how many teeth does an adult human typically have? Your question is, how many teeth does an adult human typically have? So the right answer is 32. Okay. Question number 47. Which system is responsible for producing eggs and sperm? The question is, which system is responsible for producing eggs and sperms? Option A circulatory system, obviously not. Option B reproductive system. Option C endocrine system. Option C nervous system. So the right answer is option B reproductive system. Okay. Question number 48. What is the primary function of the skeletal system? The question is, what is the primary function of the skeletal system? Your option is option A protect internal organ, option B produce blood cells, option C store calcium, option D all of the above. So the right answer is option D all of the above. Okay, because skeleton also protect internal organ like our hearts and other parts, and produce blood cells like bone marrow, which is produce red blood cells, and store calcium obviously. So the right answer is all of the above. Okay, so don't confuse with it. Question number 49. What part of the body is affected by the condition called arthritis? The question is, what part of the body is affected by the condition called arthritis? So your option is A muscles, option B joints, option C bones, option D nerves. So the right answer is option B joints. Okay. Question number 50 and last question is, which hormone is produced by the thyroid gland? Your question is, which hormone is produced by the thyroid gland? Your option is option A insulin, option B thyroxine, option C adrenaline, option D estrogen. So the right answer is option B thyroxine. Okay. Thank you.